హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో 10 మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్కి అయితే వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. సో వీడియో స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి, వాట్ ఈస్ ద pH వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ద హ్యూమన్ బాడీ? అండ్ ద ఆన్సర్స్ 9.2 to 9.8, 7.0 to 7.8, 6.1 to 6.3, and 5.4 to 5.6. And your timer starts now. And the answer is 7.0 to 7.8. Second one, which of the following are called key industrial animals? Answers: producers, tertiary consumers, primary consumers, none of these. And your timer starts now. And the correct answer, primary consumers. Third one, which of the given amendments made it compulsory for the President to consent to the constitutional amendment bills? The answers: 27th, 29th, 24th, 22th. And your timer starts now. The answer, 24th. Next, fourth one. Elections to panchayats in states are regulated by. The answers: Nagar Nigam, Election Commission of India, State Election Commission, Gram Panchayat. And your timer starts now. Answer: State Election Commission. Next, fifth one. Which of the following Himalayan regions is called Shivaliks? Answers: Upper Himalayas, Lower Himalayas, Outer Himalayas, Inner Himalayas. Your timer starts now. The correct answer is Outer Himalayas. And the next, sixth one is, forming of association in India is. Answers: legal right, illegal right, natural right, and the last one, fundamental right. Your timer starts now. The answer is fundamental right. And seventh one, the Samakya School of Philosophy was founded by. Answers: Gautam Buddha, Mahipala, Gopala, Kapil Lap. And your timer starts now. Answer is Kapil Lap. And the next, eighth one, Pushta's grasslands are situated at. Answers: South Africa, China, Hungary, and USA. And your timer starts now. The correct answer is Hungary. And eighth one, right to emergency medical aid is a legal right or illegal right, constitutional right or fundamental right. And your timer starts now. The correct answer is fundamental right. Next, 10th one. On the recommendation of which of the given committee the abolition of reservation of items for the small scale sector in industry is considered? The answers: Lohia Committee, Narasimhan Committee, Ajit Kumar Committee, and Abid Hussain Committee. And your timer starts now. The correct answer is Abid Hussain Committee. So friends, వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ఛానల్ అయితే తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.